with another video with Brooke, the birthday girl. So yeah, today, now she's going to be fixing my slime, so I made her a really good one. It's that color. Looks like that.
Oh, did you add shaving cream to this?
Hey, so you go get some stuff. Ready? I'll take the camera. Okay, put that sign down.
Wait, I gotta get it all off my hand first.
Okay, guys, we're gonna record her. Okay, come on, let's go. Where is she going? Where is she going? Where is she going? Remaining in 1 minute. One minute.
That wasn't that good. I don't know. No. This. Paint some of these.
Just use the one that I have at my seat.
So I have some beads. I don't know what else, guys. Comment down. Over here.
More slime. Different slime, Brooke. You could add it in. Here.
What should I do? How much more seconds left or minutes?
1 minute.
I think I'm gonna add like one of these slimes, like maybe this one, that one. Okay. No, maybe like.
5.
Okay. I'm
4, 3, 2, 1.
Oh yeah.
Okay, guys, we're going on the other side because we have to.
Oh, it's melty. Oh, it's good.
Okay, so she's adding that in right away. Here.
I was like, why can't you not?
Go.
So ingredients over here that I'm gonna add.
Okay, guys, and wait, Brooke, put it like right there so they can see it.
Can you see it, guys? So I'm gonna add some. I don't know where the atmosphere is. Oh, that's good. I think that's enough then for right now.
I'm adding some foam beads to my other slime. So,
It's gonna be like a pearl pitty pink slime.
okay, guys, so this is my slime from the last video that we did. This is a slime that Brooke made me, and I fixed it, but the color is still really, really bad. So, yeah. I don't know how to fix the color. Here, maybe I can use like some of this slime. I don't know. Will that make a difference? At the end, maybe we get a lot of thumbs up, maybe we can add our slimes together.
Yeah, that's only if we get a lot of thumbs up.
Yep. And then we would split it.
Guys, please give us. I'm gonna add some shaving cream.
I'm adding shaving cream in mine.
Oh my gosh, it just, guys, it's glowing. Like, it's going higher. It's like so shaving creamy, like my hands.
You got a massage.
I told Peyton how to do that.
So guys, I'm adding actually shaving cream to this slime because I'm trying to still fix it. It's not really 100%. I hope we get to mix the slimes together. Please, guys. Please. Cross my fingers. Okay, do you think you're done?
Nope. Gotta add white glue after, because this is bad.
It's what?
It's fatter. It's like.
Can I feel it? So guys, this is her slime. It's actually really good. I did a good color for her. She did not do a good color for me.
And maybe I'll do one more slime for her. One more, maybe. I gotta add some white glue. I can even open this thing. That's a
Here,
lot.
put it more closer for them.
I gotta add some purple. Stop. It's my slime. I didn't do that to your slime. Okay, that's a lot of purple. I hope I don't get it on the table. So it's purple and it's glue, so pretty.
I almost just mixed these. Should we mix them at the end? Okay guys, so that's her slime. I think it's finished, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so, oh, you guys can only see the table. You're not looking at me. Okay guys, so, we're gonna check our comments now. Okay. Okay guys, we actually got a lot of comments, guys. Thank you so much. Oh, mix these two. So guys, we're only mixing some of it, and then we're gonna see the color, because we might not like it.
Yeah, it's not that stretchy, guys. We should have made like a melted slime and then added it.
Yeah, you could add more glue.
Yeah, but that doesn't help that much. Ew, guys, it's an ugly brown color. I don't think we should mix it. It's this color. Wait, let me mix it a little bit more. It's this color.
Yeah.
Yeah, I don't think we should mix it.
Here. So this is the pink. I actually love it. I wish I can keep it, but it's hers. So this is her slime that she made me. And I made her a really cute slime. I really like this slime.
If I make Courtney a good slime, do you think that she'll let me keep it? Comment down below.
I think I will. Okay guys, so that was the end of this video. I hope you guys just give us a big thumbs up. Because we love you guys love us, right?
No.
And guys, I did a special video just for her birthday because like she loves going on YouTube and like you know. So yeah, bye guys.